Hello, happy Halloween. I'm Dr. Rihana, the admin of Facebook group No to Depression. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to shift the mental gears when you are depressed. Most depressed people are not aware that the despair and the hopelessness they feel are flowing from their negative thoughts. When you are depressed, depression would suggest that you do not need to shift the gears in your brain. One gear would be enough, which I call it depressive gear. When you use the depressive gear, you would feed your mind with the automatic negative thoughts, ANTs. When negative thoughts become a habit, it would upset the body's hormone balance, deplete the brain chemicals required for happiness, and damage the immune system. That's why we need to shift the mental gears, but that's not easy because depression is walking around. As I explained in one of my previous videos called What You Need to Know About United Depression, this is a war between you and depression, and no one can win the war without a strategy. That's why we need to apply a new strategy. Strategy number 3 says, put your ANTs on trial. Yes. Put your automatic negative thoughts on trial. How? When? Okay, let me explain. Pick the best time on an A+ day, as I explained in my last video for strategy number 2. Who is the judge? That's you. But act as if you are judging the thought of a friend rather than your own thought. Step 1. Identify your ANTs. Oh, I should go to the gym. I should eat healthier. I'm not attractive anymore. I've messed up with my life. Step 2. What is your evidence? I've gained 20 pounds. I divorced because my ex cheated on me. Step 3. The judge would find an alternative, more balanced thought to your original thought. After now it's time to listen to the judge's decision. Judge says, I welcome your mental strain and ANTs. What? Objection! Why welcoming rather than putting my ANTs in the jail right away? The judge's response is, yes. That's an ideal scenario, but that's not the reality. According to our strategy number 1, accept the reality of your pain. Judge explain, first, fighting back needs extra energy which you don't have because depression is mostly about the energy level. Second, making mental shift is not about turning I feel sad into I feel happy. As you cannot force yourself to be unnaturally positive. There are times when no matter how hard you try to change your thinking patterns, you cannot. In those times, recognizing your ANTs is enough. Another day, on an A+ day, you can dig into more details. Instead, instead of removing the question by forcing yourself and saying, oh, I have to feel happy right away, let's face the reality and break it down into more manageable and smaller tasks. When you say, I should go to the gym, watch what happens. Two scenarios. You go to the gym, but you don't enjoy much, or you wouldn't like to come back soon again. Second scenario, you don't go to the gym, but this can trigger guilt. For some, should adds just pressure. Forcing yourself to do even positive things is not as effective as encouraging yourself to do so. Tip number 1, replace should with try my best to. I should go to the gym? No. Change it to I try my best to go to the gym. Say, I've gained 20 pounds. You can ask yourself, what can I do to make my diet healthier? And what is my favorite exercise? Said, it's okay to feel sad, but when you want to express your negative thoughts or feeling about yourself, add tip number 2, I am thinking that at the beginning. When I am thinking that I am not attractive anymore. Because you introduce doubt. But if you say, I am not attractive anymore, you send a negative signal to your brain, which this is the fact. That's exactly what depression wants to hear. The lack of energy, one issue. On top of that, you kill your motivation for going to the gym, for losing weight, for having a healthier diet. You've mentioned your ex left you for another person. That has nothing to do with your beauty or charm. Move on from the wrong partner and you would be good enough for the right one. Number 3, take a pause when you are under pressure of negative thoughts. When you say, I've messed up with my life, there is also another way to say it. I wish I had done things differently in my life, but I didn't. What would be the best thing to do now? Number 4, be patient with yourself until new positive habits develop. Number 5, find a kinder way of keeping yourself motivated. Trial strategy allows you to transition more easily and clear your mind of ANTs over time. Just keep in mind, mistakes are a part of growth. That's the end of your ANTs trial. Thanks for showing up. Give a high five to yourself. Good job. Follow me on Facebook and join my Facebook group, No to Depression. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to be awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. you.